Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying a reliable sync point, audio spike, slate, or matching timecode, because Premiere needs a reference to align clips. Once you import both camera files, create a sequence that matches your primary camera's frame rate and resolution so playback stays accurate. Next, select the clips in the project panel and choose Merge Clips for simple merges, or prepare them for a multi-camera source sequence for dynamic switching. This sets the project up to actually synchronize, not just stack files. Once you have clips prepared, choose the sync method that fits. Merge clips with audio is fast for clear ambient sound, while timecode is more precise when cameras share LTC. If you need live switching, build a multi-camera source sequence and activate camera views in the program monitor so you can cut between angles. Make sure to visually inspect waveforms. If they don't line up perfectly, nudge individual clips or use clip, synchronize to micro-adjust. This corrects drift before you commit to edits. Now finalize by nesting the merged clips or dropping the multi-camera source into your main timeline so you can cut and color grade without losing alignment. Once nested, lock the audio tracks if you're replacing camera files or relinking media, and always export a short test clip to confirm sync before full render. If you encounter drift, check sample rates and any timecode offsets. Rerun synchronization with a different reference point or recalibrate clip speed. This is usually the single most effective troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.